So here is the modern version of malware that I see. Turn it on. Just a whole bunch of cleanup programs and crap. I've just told it to unlock. And now it's whinging that it can't load a website. Press back. So we've got a Samsung Galaxy Tab SMT 580. If I go to apps and features, we have all keep clean, all cleaner, Finder, free phone clean, game optimizer, whole bunch of just random Facebook games almost, another cleaner, another cleaner. So this is the modern version of malware cleaning. Luckily the launcher on here hasn't been changed, it's still set as TouchWiz, but if you've got an Android device that's running slow, and it's an old person's one, I can guarantee you will find this stuff on here. Give it all the boot and it should hopefully run pretty decent. The fella was coming in and was saying it couldn't connect to Wi-Fi, it just kept dropping out. No wonder. By the time I hit the power button on here, by the time I hit the power button and the time the unlock screen loaded to actually swipe to unlock, the screen was turning itself off already by then. That's how slow this device was. So yeah, get rid of your Android malware and keep your Android device updated. Anyway, catches. Bye.